Wow, I am vlogging outside of my house. Still have my mask. I actually have a shoot today, and I am actually linking with Honey Birdette, one of my favorites, literally like the only lingerie brand that I really wear right now. And yeah, I am staying really careful with everything. I am still going to actually yoga this wellness studio called ARTHA in West Hollywood, brand new. I did a little tour of it before it opened that I'm actually gonna just include in this vlog, because I'm just gonna show you guys like what I've been up to and what I've been doing. So I'll put that as well. I've been going there. I've been doing the infrared sauna every single day and also cryotherapy. But now that I have a spray tan, I'm not gonna do the infrared sauna for like a week or so. But I really love how it feels. Yesterday I got my hair blow dried and styled for this shoot today. And I actually just did my own makeup. They have like makeup and hair here, but I don't know, I just wanted to do my own. And I feel like, you know, since this quarantine, I've been getting better with my makeup and just really going in with it, you know? So I'm gonna be shooting today. I will do a BTS and everything of the vlog. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. If you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos and vlogs here on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below. But yeah, I'm excited for the day. It is a really, really nice day out, 86 degrees. I am actually in my car right now, and I don't know if you guys have seen my old vlogs and stuff when I got this Range Rover, but I'm getting rid of it. So this actually might be my last week with it. It just has a lot of issues and stuff, so I still don't know exactly like what I'm gonna do yet, or if I'm gonna get a brand new car of the same one or a different one. Like, I don't know yet, so we'll see. It's kind of like an emotional thing for me because I don't know, I really, really love this car so much. I'm like attached to it, and like whether or not people think it's like, oh, I've had it for a while and like it's old or whatever, it's like I really like the car. And I feel like some people, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I get attached to cars and like memories. So I'm like, I just really love this car. So I'm kind of sad that, you know, it has to go, but I will keep you guys in the loop of what car I'm gonna get and like what I'm gonna do with this car. So we'll see. Just got a message from my spray tanner because I have a spray tan. It looks really, really good. I really love it. So we'll see. Oh, I forgot to wear earrings, and I also forgot to do bottom liner, which I forgot, but oh well. All right, see you in there. Just finished my first shot. I'm actually wearing my Louboutins. Oh my god, I should take off the shoes because it's so hard to walk in them. I don't know how I went clubbing with them every single day and went to the Playboy Mansion with these heels. I don't know how I did it, but just got my first shot. Oh my god, it's dark. Okay. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay, my vlog. This is Mel from Honey Birdette. It's like
Hi, everyone.
It got like dark. Okay, this way is better. Hey.
Hi, we're social distancing.
Yes, we are. We are. I just have my mask off because I'm shooting, but I'm gonna put it back on. All right, guys, can't wait to show you guys my next outfit. Second outfit, this white bodysuit. Gotta change really, really fast because we are kind of on a time crunch and I have so many outfits, but I love this photo shoot so much. It makes me happy and I feel so inspired, and right now I've been working on my body so crazy, so I'm just super happy. Oh my god, Jessica's new car! We are out in LA.
Yeah,
we
we're
can
going
finally step out.
First
crazy.
night, since like I haven't been out all night.
We haven't, I know, at all.
We haven't been out at night at all.
Like,
so
we haven't been out at all. Like, we just had that one lunch. I vlogged about it.
Right.
And then she was like, I'm gonna pick you up, and I was like, oh, I wasn't wearing anything. I just put on eyelashes really fast.
She's so pretty.
No, I was looking crazy.
She was not.
But then she goes, we have good skin. I'm like, oh yeah, we do.
We do have good skin.
So yeah, I didn't have to put on that much.
Yeah.
But we are going out. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. It's really weird.
Your like new car.
Thank you. I'm
She
so
just got
excited.
it today. That's
I've never
so
had a
crazy.
convertible in my life, so it's kind of
I had before.
Yeah? I love
That's
it.
okay. That's okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
But it didn't have, it was only 2-seater, so it was like really inconvenient. Yeah.
Right. because you can't have anyone in the back seat.
But this is nice, and the weather is really, really, really nice.
Yeah, it's not like
I love it.
Yeah, I'm Beverly, right? I need this freaking.
Okay, guys, so I just got to ARTHA Wellness, Mind, Body, and Soul Wellness Center. It is a yoga studio. It is not open yet, but I'm doing an Instagram live there. Super excited that I am doing this yoga class with my yoga teacher. She's going to be teaching here. Equinox actually just opened today, so all the gyms are opening back up. Some opened earlier, some are opening today, some are opening later. But today, ARTHA is not open yet, but it's going to be open, and I get a little sneak peek and a tour. I haven't joined yet. I'm thinking of joining, but it is a members only wellness yoga studio, so it's by invite only. Once I know more details, I'll let you guys know, but I'm still a member of Equinox. I'm just going here to check it out, and also that my yoga teacher is here and we're doing a live, so that is why I am here. Super excited to go. We're gonna check out the brand new West Hollywood yoga studio. So yeah, this time I can vlog because Equinox is like so strict, you can't vlog in there at all. So here I can vlog because I do know the owner, and my yoga teacher is also a part of this gym. So yeah, it's gonna be really exciting. So I'm gonna turn off my engine and we're gonna go inside. I'll see you guys. Okay, literally looks so funny, but you know, gotta protect ourselves. So it's right next to Whiskey A Go Go and across from the London Hotel in West Hollywood. So we are going to check it out. I'm excited. Oh, the sign is up. We are here. Yoga studio. So nice. Got sunset. Yeah, okay. This is so nice. Ari is there. Oh my gosh, yay! Okay.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Okay, we're gonna do yoga. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
I know, me too. I don't even know how to teach.
Yeah, no, you do. It's Ari. You guys know my yoga teacher.
Oh, my love.
I'm so excited. I haven't done yoga for actually a long time. I used to do it like every day.
Really?
Yeah.
What was the last class you did?
Oh, I don't even want to like tell you because it's like been so long.
No, mine's the most embarrassing. As a teacher, I don't even remember. The last class I took was with Tino, like 3 weeks ago.
Like last week, no?
No, like 3 weeks ago.
Well, she teaches a lot, like almost every day, so you already know how to do it. You know how to do it like pro. Actually, I saw your story where you were doing like...
Oh, on Monday, yeah. I did take that class because I was teaching it and I had to since I had no model. And I have to say, all day yesterday I could feel my butt. I could feel it, yeah.
But that's good. Yoga is a great workout. So we're gonna do it. Yay! Thank you guys. I haven't done a live for so long. Hi, Spencer.
Hi, everyone. We're so excited to see everyone come back. We have our soft opening tomorrow. I can't wait. If you guys want a tour, we're gonna take. We actually haven't even given you a tour yet.
I know. I was going to, but then I came like 30 minutes before. It was like too close. So I'm gonna do a tour of the whole place. Wait, is it? It's not. Is my screen dirty?
No, it's just, I think it's like smoky from
I'm gonna get one of the new
the
towels.
Yay. All right.
Just want to clean the screen. Oh yeah, it's much better. It always gets dirty.
get
Oh,
a
it's
sensation.
hot.
Yeah, they're running it. It's a sensory deprivation chamber, and it basically makes you feel like you're in the movie. So it feels like relaxation, anxiety,
I love it. Oh my gosh.
so beautiful. And they'll change
Love
colors.
chamber.
There's like little starlights up top.
Cute. It's like a Rolls Royce. So you sit in here like by yourself, right?
Yeah, you just float.
Oh, like in the water?
Yeah, so the water has like a lot of salt. It's almost like you're floating in the Dead Sea. You know how in the Dead Sea you don't have to swim, you just...
Cute. Infrared sauna. I love it. Cute. And a TV. I love it here. Okay guys, I took the class. I took the class, but I had it on live. I didn't film that because I put it on live and it's on my IG TV and on my IG feed. So I'll put in clips of it here just so you guys can see it. But it was fun, it was good. I haven't seen my teacher since February 28th. That was her last day at Equinox, and then Equinox like closed down March 17th or March, yeah, something like that, March 11th or 17th or something like that. So I haven't seen them at all. So yeah, I'm gonna take her yoga class tomorrow, so I'll film again or vlog again. And it was so amazing. Yay, thanks Ari. It was so great. Got some food at Trader Joe's. Love grocery shopping. Love restocking on food. I wonder if you guys could even hear me. I'm like wearing the mask. Guys, oh my gosh, I forgot to end the video. Well, I just got home from hiking, just changed my shirt really quick. I'm going to shower, but I just wanted to eat something really quick. This is radish and cucumber. I know it's like boring, but to me this is so good. The radish is a little bit spicy, but I feel like it's really yummy. So I'm just eating that really quick, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog. But I had so much fun. I also went to my friend's pool over the weekend, and I got bit by so many little bugs. So I've been doing a lot of outdoorsy things, and I'm proud of myself. But I just wanted to end this vlog here. And if you guys are not keeping up with my blog, I've been writing a lot of pieces, so definitely check it out. It's arikasato.com. I feel like I'm closing out this vlog with this mess of a hair, but I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be blogging and vlogging every single day what I'm doing, and this is just a compilation of everything that I've been doing these days, including some stuff from like last month. I'll be trying to vlog every single day, but I love you guys so much, and I'm just gonna end the video here, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.